We are going to review top 5 best heavy-duty mop. List number 1. BISSELL Power Steamer Heavy Duty 3-in-1 Steam Mop. Powerful, high-temperature steam to blast away dirt, grime, grease, stains, and mold across a wide variety of indoor and outdoor surfaces. For use in garage and workshop areas, interior and exterior of autos, boats, and EVs, and recreational vehicles, windows, outdoor patio furniture and decks, and all sealed hard floor surfaces. 3-in-1 heavy-duty multi-purpose steam cleaner. The upright steam cleaner transforms into both an extended reach steam cleaner and a handheld steam cleaner. List number 2. KLEEN Handler General Cleaning Mop. KLEEN Handler heavy-duty commercial universal headband blend mops are designed with high-quality, custom 4-ply blend yarn for superior strength and absorbency to clean up spills quickly. The looped end also improves cleaning performance while providing greater floor coverage for fast and efficient use. The headband is universal, designed to fit side-loading and clamp-style mop handles. These heavy-duty mop heads are for commercial, industrial, and residential use. This all-purpose mop is suitable for any cleaning job including industrial cleaning, janitorial, and household environments. List number 3. O-CEDAR Heavy-Duty Looped End String Mop. The O-CEDAR Heavy-Duty Looped End String Mop is designed and built for home and commercial cleaning and can be used for large or small cleaning jobs. The double looped end cotton mop strands will not fray like other mops. The mop head is made from a super absorbent natural cotton and yarn blend to mop floor spaces of all sizes. This high-quality mop is the low-cost floor cleaning solution for most hard surfaces in your home, office, kitchen, garage, and more. This mop is safe for most floor types too. List number 4. KLYFAR Commercial String Mop Heavy Duty. String mop head made with cotton material which is super absorbent, no scratch, and long lasting. 18 mops head that enough large makes cleaning work faster. High quality plastic jaw clamp with super strong grasping force, which can well clamp the mop head to fix it, so as to ensure that it is not easy to loosen while mopping. 4 premium metal iron poles are solid and durable. Each iron pole uses special technology to increase the friction and ensure that it is not easy to loosen when using. List number 5. OFO Loop End String Mop. Loop End Design 18 Oz mop head with looped end. Yarn tailband prevent the loops from getting tangled and reduce fraying. And it also helps the loops flat on the floor for maximum surface area contact. Double thick cotton synthetic yarn. This choose very good quality cotton synthetic as material. Highly versatile mop is able to absorb any dirty water quickly and clean all types of mess. It make your daily life cleaning more easily. Lightweight handle with 59-inch length. No need to bend for mopping the floor. Very suitable for USA market.